We are officially done with the era of the standard smartphone. For nearly 2 decades, we have been carrying flat, glass rectangles in our pockets, and quite frankly, the world has grown bored. We've reached the limit of what a single screen can do. But right now, in the secret labs of Suwon, South Korea, Samsung isn't just preparing a new phone, they are preparing to kill the tablet and the laptop as we know them. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. Not a flip, not a simple fold, but a triple-layered masterpiece of engineering that unfolds into a massive, uninterrupted canvas. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you thought the original Fold was a gimmick, you aren't ready for what happens when the screen doesn't just double, but triples. This is the moment the smartphone becomes a supercomputer. Imagine you are standing in line at a coffee shop in Manhattan. You pull out a device that looks like a slightly thicker, premium smartphone. You check your notifications on a sleek 6.6-inch outer display. But then, you sit down, you grab the edges, and you begin to unfold. 1, 2, 3 sections reveal themselves until you are holding a nearly 11-inch cinematic display in the palm of your hand. No crease, no gaps, just pure, glowing OLED. This isn't science fiction. This is the trifold reality. Samsung has spent the last 5 years perfecting the dual-hinge technology, a dual-hinge system that allows the device to fold in a Z-shape or a G-shape, giving you 3 distinct modes of operation. Why is the USA market losing its mind over this? Because the American consumer values one thing above all else: productivity. We are the generation of do-it-all right now. The Trifold is the first device that actually makes multitasking possible. On a standard phone, switching between an Excel sheet, a Zoom call, and a Slack thread is a nightmare. On the Trifold, you can have all 3 open, side by side, in full desktop-class resolution. It is the end of mobile-optimized compromises. You are holding a workstation that fits in your jeans. But the hardware is only half the story. The real magic of the Galaxy Z Trifold lies in the fluid UI that Samsung has built on top of Android 16. The software knows exactly how many panels you have open. If you're only using 2 panels, the third one acts as a dedicated touch bar or a virtual keyboard. If you unfold it fully, the UI expands into a desktop environment that rivals Windows. And with the inclusion of the S Pen Pro 3, which now features near-zero latency, the Trifold becomes the ultimate digital sketchbook. For architects in Chicago, designers in LA, and traders on Wall Street, this isn't a phone, it's an unfair advantage. Let's address the durability, because that's the question everyone is asking. Won't it break? Samsung has heard you. The Trifold features the new ultra-thin glass 3.0, which is reportedly 40% more impact-resistant than the previous generation. They've integrated a revolutionary, self-healing polymer layer that can actually smooth out micro-scratches from the S Pen over time. But more importantly, the hinges are now dust and water resistant to an IPX8 rating. Samsung is so confident in this build that rumors suggest a 3-year, no questions asked, screen replacement warranty for the US market. They aren't just selling a device, they are selling peace of mind. Under the hood, we are looking at the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 for Galaxy, a chip so powerful it benchmarks higher than most mid-range laptops. This is necessary